it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of the Bellagio, the beautiful Bellagio fountains behind me. Gonna head into the Bellagio, check out the Conservatory, and see what's going on with the hotel and casino. Follow me. The Bellagio has lots of shops, including Dior, Harry Winston, Hermes, Prada's here, Tiffany & Company, Van Cleef & Arpels. We'll pass most of them in the video. Same holds true for the restaurants here at the Bellagio, although you won't find too much casual fare. Here we have the spa and salon, and this, my friends, is the world's largest chocolate fountain, featured in La Pasterie. Essentials is kind of like a gift shop, including some Bellagio merch. Harvest has sustainable and seasonal dining with an emphasis on locally grown ingredients. Bellagio opened on October 15, 1998 with 3,005 rooms in a 36-story tower. Built at a cost of $1.6 billion, it was the world's most expensive resort up to that point. Early revenue was less than expected, and Steve Wynn departed the resort in May of 2000 when Mirage Resorts merged with MGM Grand Incorporated, and that's when profits started to be seen. A 33-story hotel tower with 928 rooms was opened in 2004. MGM owned the Bellagio until 2019 when it sold the resort to the Blackstone Group for $4.25 billion. That's quite a profit. MGM continues to operate the property under a lease agreement with Blackstone. The elegant Petrosian bar gently sets the mood for sophisticated tastes and discerning palates. There's usually a great piano player playing there every time I pass, at least. Except, of course, for now. And here we have Noodles, contemporary dining featuring traditional noodle dishes from Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, China, and Vietnam.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Ryan D, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in one of my Atlantic City videos, #a go-go. Congratulations, Ryan. As well as Robert Camacho, who found, Captain Morgan in my Norwegian Cruise Line Getaway, The Pools video, a tour of all the pools on the Norwegian Getaway. Same to you, Robert. Congratulations. Good eyes, guys. Obviously, the Bellagio's signature attraction is the Fountains of Bellagio, a dancing water fountain synchronized to music. It's performed on a 8.5-acre man-made lake located in the front of the resort. Other attractions include the Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, which we just passed, and a conservatory and botanical gardens. The hotel lobby features Fiori di Como, a sculpture by glass artist Dale Chiaoli, and is the world's largest glass sculpture, and that's that glass sculpture that's actually hanging from the ceiling when you walk into the hotel lobby. This is the buffet at Bellagio. I did a video here. The buffet was not as good as I thought, but it wasn't bad at all. So you can check out that video here on the New York channel, as well as if you're interested in seeing what the rooms look like in the pools, I have a video here on the New York channel as well where you can check those out. I stayed here a few months ago, and trust me, it was a very comfortable and elegant stay. And with regards to the Conservatory, a huge attraction here on the Las Vegas Strip that's free of charge, I have lots of videos on here on the New York channel as well. Unfortunately, the week that I was here was what they call a blackout week, when they're in the middle of changing out the Conservatory from one season to another, so it was closed off, unfortunately. But not to fear, there are plenty of Conservatory videos here on the New York channel. It was announced that I was in the building, and all these people are rushing to see me now. Well, actually, the Cirque du Soleil show O is here at the Bellagio, and the show just ended and they're letting everyone out. This snack place is probably the cheapest place to eat in this building. They serve pizza, and it looks like everyone's taking advantage of the only place with low prices. I remember one night I was walking through this casino, and just as I was passing, some guy won an $18,000 jackpot. And I know $18,000 jackpots are kind of common on the Las Vegas Strip. There's certainly been a lot more bigger ones than that, but that's the largest one that I've ever seen live. Needless to say, the guy was quite happy, and he attracted quite a crowd in just a matter of moments. This is the Mayfair Supper Club, an elegant restaurant featuring contemporary American cuisine and live entertainment. Here we have Lago by Julian Serrano, toward the bolder side of Italy from the Michelin-decorated chef. A perennial AAA 5-Diamond Award winner, Le Cirque delivers exquisite French cuisine. Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge delivers imaginative twists on traditional and modern Japanese cuisine. Downstairs by the fountains, we have Picasso, a highly acclaimed restaurant that promises an evening of unparalleled dining in the company of Picasso masterpieces. Also downstairs is Prime Steakhouse. Chef Jean-Georges invites you to indulge in prime steak and seafood accompanied by fabulous wines. I couldn't help notice all the Louis Vuitton stores along the strip had Legos in their window. It was some kind of a Lego theme, and I really appreciate that. My favorite hobby. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Here we have Spago. Wolfgang Puck's revolutionary restaurant features signature California fare, perfect for lunch or dinner.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.